Hi there. Today we're going to talk about B2C marketing or business to customer marketing. We're going to explain what it means and go through its most important channels, strategies, and challenges. B2C marketing is a term used to describe a business model in which a company or a brand markets directly to individual consumers. B2C marketing focuses on individual consumers who make personal purchasing decisions. This is opposed to business-to-business marketing, which involves selling products or services to other businesses. B2C marketing can take many forms, and its tactics can vary greatly depending on the product or service being offered, the target consumer segment, the size and goals of the company, and many other factors. Some of the B2C marketing channels include traditional media, and that involves television, radio, print media, billboards, and direct mail. For instance, Coca-Cola frequently advertises on TV and print media to reach its broad consumer base. Digital media is another important channel that covers search engines, social media platforms, email, mobile apps, and websites as well. Amazon, for example, uses email marketing to send personalized product recommendations to its customers. Then there's also in-store or point-of-sale channels. Here, marketing takes place in a physical location where the transaction occurs, such as in a retail store. A great example of that is IKEA's in-store marketing strategy. They use a carefully designed store layout and point-of-sale tactics to influence customer purchases. Through fully decorated room sets, detailed product tags, and strategically placed impulse buy stations, IKEA effectively guides customers' purchasing decisions and provides a positive shopping experience. B2C marketing focuses on four main strategies, and the first one is brand building and awareness. B2C companies often focus on making their brands widely recognized, and they focus also on building a positive reputation. Nike, for example, uses celebrity endorsements, catchy slogans, and high-profile sporting events to maintain and build its brand image. The second strategy is emotional engagement. B2C marketing often appeals to the emotions of the consumer. For instance, Apple's marketing often focuses on the feelings of creativity, innovation, and exclusivity associated with using their products. Strategy number 3 is sales and promotions. Sales, discounts, and special promotions are very common B2C marketing tactics. Walmart, for instance, markets itself as a low-price leader and constantly offers sales and promotions. The fourth strategy is personalization, and this involves tailoring marketing messages to individual consumers based on their own preferences, behaviors, and past interactions. Spotify, for instance, creates personalized music playlists for each user. While B2C marketing offers several opportunities and it's usually very attractive to marketers, it also presents its unique challenges. The first challenge for B2C marketing is understanding consumer behavior. Consumer behavior and preferences can be highly unpredictable, and they also shift rapidly due to various factors such as societal changes, trends, and economic conditions. For instance, the COVID-19 pandemic rapidly accelerated the shift towards online shopping, and that created a challenge for brick-and-mortar retailers who had to quickly adapt their strategies to accommodate increased online demand. The second challenge is maintaining customer loyalty. With an array of options readily available, consumer loyalty can be fickle. For example, the rise of direct-to-consumer brands like Dollar Shave Club disrupted established consumer product companies like Gillette. Dollar Shave Club offered a subscription service, lower prices, and a unique branding approach, which attracted customers looking for alternatives to traditional and established brands. Number 3 is dealing with competition and market saturation. Many B2C markets are highly competitive and oversaturated. For example, in the smartphone market, brands like Apple and Samsung have to continuously innovate to stay ahead of competitors and appeal to consumers who have a multitude of options. Challenge number 4 is managing online reputation. With the rise of social media and online reviews, managing a brand's online reputation can be a major challenge. A single negative review or social media post can quickly go viral and harm a company's reputation. United Airlines faced a significant public relations crisis in 2017 when a passenger was forcibly removed from an overbooked flight, and the incident was caught on video and shared widely on social media. The fifth channel is personalization at scale. Consumers are increasingly expecting personalized experiences, but delivering personalization at scale can be challenging for many businesses. For example, a clothing retailer like H&M with a vast global customer base may struggle to provide personalized shopping experiences to each individual customer, both in-store and online. The last challenge we're going to share with you today is privacy concerns. As companies collect and use data to personalize marketing efforts, they also face the challenge of respecting consumer privacy and complying with data protection regulations. Spotify was fined $5.4 million for not properly informing users how their data was being used, and that's according to Swedish authorities. All these challenges require B2C marketers to continuously monitor consumer trends, innovate, manage their brand reputation, and strike a balance between personalization and privacy. Now, thank you very much for watching this video. We hope that you now understand the concept of B2C marketing, but if you have any further questions about that, we're happy to help you. Just drop us a comment and we'll get back to you.